Well, surprisingly how smooth my chain was actually from that. My old chain would be like quack, 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 and all that. Really, semi-truck driver, you're just gonna force yourself like that? Piece of shit. Good thing you got some sensor-rated brake pads. Why is everyone going to this lane? Why? Why is everyone going to this lane? Look at his blinkers. Why? Just like, why? Oh, there's a fire up ahead. Oh boy, yeah. Just for content. I'm just kidding. I'm curious though. Don't let him in. Don't let him in. Whoa, you're going to really get into something. You're really going to get something crashing today. This fucking dipshit of a truck driver. And you need to go back a little bit for me, please. Unbelievable. Oh my god, now, okay, you know what, this truck driver is stupid. Too damn close, person. Ooh, dude, what the fuck? You are so close to me. You are so close to me, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Back the fuck up, dude. It's got behind me right now. Fire truck. Oh yeah, that's a big crash. Holy shit. Hold on. Doesn't much like this was a freeway. I don't know why that person waved at me. There's another crash up ahead. What the fuck? Huh. Oh, that's a car tumbled over. Interesting. Oh, that's dangerous. Honestly, it didn't take that long at all. Well, maybe like 10 minutes or something like that. You're so slow. thought it was over there. Really? Just... oh, great. Another crash. Another one. Why? There's been 3 crashes on this freeway today. Why?